time. This is gonna be first in a long time. While it rings up. Oh, that's really pretty. It's just so natural. I have to put lubricant on my eyes. Fresh contacts. I just got it from the chemist warehouse. The contact lenses are really natural. This one is, by the way, from Spot Contact Lenses. Big is from eTour. I had my initials monogrammed. Start with a lip balm. Natural concealer. My face is marinating. I like to look at my eye makeup while we're making use of the time. So I'm using. Already added the lighter brown. Go for the darker brown. For our base, we are using Izzy, their active foundation in the shade NM3. This is my first time using their product. Oh man, that is really a pretty foundation. It's from Della. Oh, look at that difference. Pretty. Now time for the eyebrows. I'm using Bobby Brown. Just this one away. I'm not entirely sure if this is an eyebrow product, but I just love using this for my eyebrows. Under eyes to create a little shadow. The darker brown. Or I'm using this Vice Cosmetics. This is new as well. In the shade Push. So it comes with the product itself, and the other end is the brush. Try it. Ooh, that is really creamy. Let's use the brush. This is beautiful. Oh, this is so good. Like the convenience having a brush on the other end. Perfect. Blush, I'm using the L'Oreal Lumi Liquid Blush in the shade True Rose. Put it over here at the side of my cheeks. I'm using this, and I always put a little on my nose, make it look like I was just sun-kissed. It's from, I don't know what the name is, but it's a cute palette I got when I was in Bangkok. It's really cute, so I just add it at the center. And this is my favorite part, the eyelashes. Little backstory: back when I was a kid, my mom used to cut my lashes when I was, I think, less than 1 year or 1 to 2 years old. She had that belief that if she were to cut it, it would grow longer. Indeed, she did fail me. It's really long. I'll show you. So look at the difference. That's without mascara. And also, what I like to do is to reverse the eyelash curler and just make sure my lower lashes are also curled like that. Let's try it with the mascara. And ta-da! Look at those lashes. Thank you, Mom, for cutting my lashes. And just add powder. So we did all the creams or liquids. Now it's time for powder. So for my bronzer and contour powder, we're using the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade Deep Cool 300. Now up to for the powder blush. I'm using this local makeup product just for the nose contour. I like to start in here. So I would have to blend it. Just allow it to sit for a couple of minutes, and while that's sitting on my face, I would just redo or just retouch my lashes. There you go, look at that difference. So I'm just adding highlighters to the nose and also blend. Now it's time for the lip makeup. So I'm trying this new lip liner, or actually it's called Velvet Blur in the shade Soft Kiss. Or I've been waiting to try this product. Oh, you just have to Thank you guys, cosmetics, for this. This is really lovely. For the lip of choice, Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Pillow Talk. The Fat Gloss in the shade Lick. Ooh, so this is the Lick. The new Izzy All Day Setting Spray. Weird this, but this is the finished look. So we are now going to dress up. I really love my dress already. I'm thought of it. I'm going to show you later on.
It's all good when you lift it up there. From town to the post on what about the long run now?
The dress. That's a cute black lacy dress with brown. I just love lacy dresses so much. Quick story, I also wore a lacy dress when I turned 24. So I really love it. What do you think? So we are now on the way to the restaurant. Look who's my dad. Hello.
Hello, baby.
So we got matchy outfit.
The way I do my hair, the way I make you laugh, the way we like to share a walk in Central Park. I could be fresh air, might be the girl of your dreams.
We are going to eat Korean barbecue. Show your food here. What? We just finished eating. So we're on our way to city. I'm gonna get a haircut just because my hair is so long now. I just want to get fresh layers, so this is the hair. What you guys think? We're just roaming around CBD. You guys, I'm vlogging in public, so this is helping my social anxiety, but I'm really trying my best. So we are beginning to start our hike. It's a beautiful, lovely day. It's really beautiful. 15 more minutes. Let's go. So we are trying the other track. Ooh, look at that one. We made it.